Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide or unhide your taskbar in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come to your window environment. Simply right click on your window environment, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to personalize. So click on that, and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to taskbar right there. So it take you right there, and it's going to take you right there. And from the top right there, where you have automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode, what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. And once you turn it on, by the time you go to your taskbar, it's going to be fully disabled. Just like what you see right here, the taskbar has been disabled. If you want to unhide it, what you need to do is to simply come back to automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode, and the taskbar is going to pop up just like so. It's just a matter of on and on and off, just like so, and you will have it hidden or unhidden. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.